Hello and welcome back to the channel hardreset.info, and today I will show you how to make an order on Etsy. Okay, so let me open Etsy on my phone, and I need to open whatever item that I would like to purchase. For example, let it be this one, and I need to scroll a little bit down until I see option to add to my cart. So here I need to select specific option that I want to purchase. Okay, and now I'm going to my cart at the bottom right of my screen, and this is basically my cart. So here I can adjust quantity of the items that I want to purchase. So here you can see all available quantities that you can apply. Also, you can remove this item from your cart right here by tapping this button. Also, you can apply coupon code to your item if you have your coupon code. Here you can enter it and of course tap apply button to activate it. You can select mark order as a gift right here by moving the slider to the right like this. So later you will see a couple of options that you can apply to your order to make it basically as a gift. And finally, let's go to checkout right here. So here you can apply some options to your gift, as I mentioned earlier. So you can include a gift message right here. You can enter your name and some more options, but I will skip for now. Now, if you're signed into your Etsy account, you have to confirm your shipping address. And if something is wrong with your shipping address, you can tap edit and apply some changes to your shipping address. Tap save and press ship here button. Then you have to choose your payment method for your item. So here are a couple of options available. This is Apple Pay, your card, your PayPal, also Klarna if you have order for more than $50, and also your bank account. And as well, you can redeem your gift card if you have your Etsy gift card. So choose your payment method and then tap review your order button. And here you can double check all the details of your order, such as your shipping address, your payment method, and of course your item. You have to check if all the details are correct. And finally, also you can choose here your shipping method. So here are shipping methods available. This is standard international delivery, some USB-C priority. Okay, so choose it and finally press checkout button to place your order. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.